Hey guys, we'll be playing some Rising Front today. This is a battle simulator with AI. I've always been enjoying this game. This is some gameplay, and I heard that they added I think they added some planes and zeppelins, if I heard. So let's get in there, let's do some battles with them. I'm looking forward. Let's go to the trench map, World War One. Of course. And we're going to the trench. So if we go to command map, let's see what they added. I want to see fire support. Oh my god! They do! Airship. Yes, I do want an airship. Oh my god, let's go. I want an airship. Yeah. No, that's coming from this way. How about two airships? Alright, I want to see this. I want to see this. No, I need to see this. Oh my god. It's an airship. What? This is crazy. Oh, this is actually so cool. Like, wait, what? These are so cool. Oh my god, it's so far out. I need to. Okay, here we go. Oh, my camera. Slow down. Oh my god, they even have people in like the turrets. Oh my god, that's so cool. Alright, let's go back to command. Wait, tank hunter? So is there tanks? Are there tanks? British Raiders? I don't see tanks. I don't think they're tanks. Right? I hope. Uh, trench darts. Tank hunters. Strategic bombardment. That's... Alright, let me just put hell on that. How about some bombing runs, like right here? Alright. So spectate, go. Oh. I need to see this. I need to see the bombing runs. I see the I see them. I see the bombs. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, maybe I have to slow the camera down. Sorry guys, I have to slow the Oh my god. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, now the zeppelins are passing by. Is there anything like gun run? So if I can like put some gun runs here. One second, I need to options, not mouse sensitivity, audio. Where's my audio effects volume? Yeah, that should be good. Alright, I hope you can hear me better. Sorry, that was a lot of noise. Yeah, but these are, look at these zeppelins. They're like crazy. Oh, and it's a rush. The allies are rushing and the zeppelins are bombing. Hell. Oh, I'm gonna see what the command map is saying. Look at the zeppelins. Look how big the zeppelins are on the command map. They're giant. Oh my god, I love this update. How about trench darts? Can I use trench darts? Like, but a bomblet attack run. All right, this way I guess. Cause all right, spectate. All right, here is a, I think German plane. Oh my god, that's cool. Alright, but let's focus on the ground. Let's actually deploy into the ground. Y'all taking cover from the zeppelins. Nah, not the zeppelins, from the allies. Alright, you guys, we better push up. This is gonna be a big battle. They're pushing on our trench. You will be shot if you retreat. And does everyone get me here? Say yeah, aye, aye. Alright, we push! Charge! Charge into battle, men! Charge! Charge! Go towards the gunshots! Woo! Yeah! Oh, wrong side. It's not Americans. For the Kaiser! What are you doing here? You have a machine gun! What are you doing here? Retreater. You officer, you're a retreater too. Get back there. No? Okay. Don't retreat! Keep the pressure! Keep shooting! Keep shooting! Ah! He's right there! I'm shot! Ah! Get in the bunker! Reloading! Got him! Ah! Man, they're everywhere! Come on! Don't keep up the pressure! Keep your head down! Boom! Did I get him? No, he's still up. Oh, reload my weapon. How do you phase through? Charge! Charge, my men! For the Kaiser! Ah! They have machine guns! Keep charging! This is for the Battle of the Marne! Ah! Am I alone? You! Officer, good job! Keep your man in charge! Come on, move! Good job! Timothy! 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 I'll avenge you! This is for Timothy! Wrong guy! Wait, is this shooting at us? Wait, what? Wait, are you shooting at us? Wait, would he shoot at me if I stand like right here? Wait, I thought the zeppelins were on our team. Wait a minute. They're shooting at us. Oh, that's weird. Alright, but we keep charging. Break their trench line. Oh, ah! I tried avenging Timothy. Wait, are they on our side? Let me see. R01. What happened to the second zeppelin? Did the second zeppelin go? Or did I just like... I think we might want... You want artillery on the lines. So we have maybe bomblet runs too. See, and then boom. Because they're getting pressed. So we just want like bombs like raining down on them. Or something. Woo! We're back on the ground. And we got Russians, I think? I think those are Russians. But it's hell on the ground. But the Germans are making very good gains here. Oh! The stormtrooper's out. No, he's dead. He's dead. Oh. Let's get a view on this. It's bloody. Look at the bodies just scaling for miles. Oh my god. Oh! Timothy, are you okay? I'll take in. Wait, can I take control of Timothy? Yeah, I can. Timothy! Wait, is that a British troop? Boom. Ah! Oh! Alright, that's not good. This is but this is fun though! Like, I didn't even know that they had airplanes yet. I need that. I wanted that so bad and now they added it. It's like they're answering. Was this Russian troop gone? Is he dead? Oh, he took 5 bullets from a machine gun and then died. Oh! How is he not dead? How is this man not dead? Look at his leg! Look at this man's leg! That's why I call a true hero! Are you dead? Wait, is he dead? No. Yeah, he's dead. Everyone salute this man! He lost a leg, he fired 1 shot, killed somebody. Wait, is he? I don't think he's dead. Someone's shooting at him. I think he's just in pain or something. We know he's dead now. Yeah, I'm probably sure. Yeah, they're not shooting at him anymore. Alright, salute this man. He lost a leg, he kept firing, and he died. Everyone salute. Now let's get on with the assault. We got Russians now. They want to counterattack their trench. But the Germans are holding up really well right here. I don't like. Oh wow. That's what I call bombs. They're air bursts though. They like burst after. Who are they trying to kill? Oh, this kid. Oh, they got him. Now if they turn their guns over here, that's not gonna be good. The Russians really need to know that if these zeppelins turn their guns here, it's gonna be a bloodfest because those machine guns are firing. I think the Germans have to pull back now. Like there's no joke, but the Germans will pull back now. Cause they already took so many losses, I don't think they would be fine. So let's just like add them back here. Oh, they turned their guns. They have turned their guns. They have turned their guns. Oh nah, they've turned their guns. They have turned their guns. I copied, they have turned their guns. They turned their guns. Oh, look at this. And this is just from the machine gun. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, 2 zeppelins firing their auto machine guns against these men. I don't know if they can do anything actually. Can they? Can they? Is there anti like air in this game? Is there any anti-air? No, there isn't. I guess we gotta just go the biplane gun run. Like over here. And over here. Alright, and then we need a strafe run, I guess. We want What is that? Oh, there we go. Germans. Look at this. Can I? What happens if I like spawn them? Maybe? Alright, let's like spawn so many of these. Alright, now let's like spectate on the ground. Oh, he crashed! They're crashing! Wait, is the Zeppelin shooting them out of the air? Oh, Timothy. Timothy crashed. Oh my god, that's actually skill issue. Uh, why do we have tank hunters when there's no tanks? So I'm just gonna see what this tank hunter does. It did nothing. Nothing. Alright, so gun strafes. We have to get that to the back line here, spectate. Oh, this is gonna be hard for the British to keep hold now. Just a bombing run, and then boom, 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 boom. Oh, the British are just gone. I don't think they're alive. The fire too. That fire's loud. Oh, I feel bad. I think the Zeppelins kind of took them out. If they take the British HQ, they win. If the Germans take the British HQ, they win. They win the battle. They're fine. Come on, guys. I think the Germans were like spoiled because they have like Zeppelins in the air. So if you want me to next next time if we get like 20 likes on this video, we can do just like a normal fort battle actually. Without any Zeppelins. Maybe bombing runs though, whatever you want. Is there no British soldier left? No. This is it. The flag will go down now for the Germans. They win. The Germans win the war. Or the battle. Do they? Let's see. Yeah, they do win. Alright. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. See ya. Have a great day. Cheese!